saka sa mga bashers naman, kay Resale, hello! So, iyan siya yung nag-message sa mga owner na sinisaraan ako. Sabi ko, ayaw mo pa talagang pakabait, bawi ka sa next live.
So actually guys, from here at the balcony of Coast Residences, I'm here now at the balcony, and this is the Breeze Residences. So from Coast Residences, here is the Reclamation, which is in front, if I'm not mistaken, in front of MOA. This is the Reclamation Island. I'll show you guys. This is. So they're doing an island at the center of the dagat. They are busy doing their island actually. There is a lot of cargos also at the near of that area. So this is the breeze. This is the breeze. So from Breeze Residences, I'll show you the amenity of breeze. And then just in front, and also in front of this Coast Residences, they are building or they're doing another reclamation here. So I'll show you the boats. I think the construction materials is there. I'm not sure what is the project in that particular area, but for sure they told me it will be going a casino at the center of the dagat. And guys, for references, I'll just show you the construction. And this is the view from my balcony here at Coast Residences. So it's very
And for today's vlog guys, this one is rented. It's of course, this one is Furnishing by yours truly. Ayan. Congratulations kay Sir Edgar at saka kay sa wife niya, Ma'am Virginia. And of course, kay Ma'am Phyllis Harina, sa daughter nila. Happy birthday! And for this one, guys, I'll just show you how it looks yung pinaka-end sa end na unit. For this one kasi, this is the last or end siya, tapos last pa. I mean, this is the last unit sa building ng short 2. So, meaning to say, if I'm going to, to watch here outside the window, short 3 na siya, guys. Wala na siyang building ng short 2. Ayan. I would like to say say hi para sa mga owner ko, then sa mga nanonood ng video ko. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kasi, normally, we are going around, most especially sa admin, nakakamit ko yung mga owners and they notice me and they know me. Your name is Kat, by the way. So sa mga viewers ko, sa mga owner, thank you so much guys for watching. At saka sa mga bashers naman, kay Resale, hello! So iyak lang yung nag-message sa mga owner na sinisaraan ako. Diba? Ayaw mo pa talagang pakabait, bawal ka sa next live. And kidding aside guys, of course, I really wanted my vlog to be just positive all the way. Even there's a lot of negativities around, but I manage myself to be always as positive as I can. Of course, wala tayong choice, my goodness. And for this one, it's already rented out. Congratulations guys for Edgar, Team Virginia, at saka sa daughter niya, very, very beautiful. Ayan. He is currently there at Europe. If I'm not mistaken, he is staying at UK. Of course, Nolly is there. For those unit owner na andyan sa Europe, my brother is there, Nolly Deliosa, para magtawag nito? I forgot na. Kumbaga sa inyo ng new project ng SMDC guys. So for those pre-selling na gusto mag-avail, for sure naman, meron tayong available ng short 2 and of course, short 3. If I'm not mistaken guys, correct me if I'm wrong, they are offering 10% discount for this, for this project guys. So of course, if you want to get a unit here, don't forget, I'm gonna flash the number of my brother for the pre-selling unit, pre-selling units. So, Bisaya. And guys, pwede naman ako mag-assist natin for it. And the good thing about my service is actually, I did everything from the furnishing and for the things that I want to place inside here, most especially kasi na-practice ko na siya ng ulit-ulit. So, it makes my furnishing perfect. So, lahat ng unit ko rented out na. Have the units available, just let me know. Then you have to email me at katkatdellosa21@gmail.com or my number, my WhatsApp. I gonna flash in my screen na lang. So, hindi ka naman get mo na lang there. Ayan. For this one, I'll just show you kung ano yung edge ng unit, sir. For this one kasi guys, ito yung pinaka-end ng unit. Ayan. The good thing about here, I'll just show you very quick. Just turn it, Ayan. Ayan guys, for this one guys, I have here the sofa. I placed the sofa here. For this one, I changed it. Before kasi I always place the sofa here. But for now, to make it different, I put the sofa here. Because the good thing about here, I can place here the carpet. And of course, I can do a good presentation here. Or maybe the tenant will ask me to change. It's up to him. But for this guys, I really want it to look like this. Ang ganda niya tingnan, Megan, promise. I provided here, since this one is a big cat unit and end unit. Normally guys, ng mga end unit sa big cat unit. Ayan, kung may mga kayo, piliin niyo yung laging end unit kasi big cat na siya. Meron pa siya ng ventilation here at the window. So then, today's ayan guys, ayan yung ventilation niya. Ayan siya guys, kasi na siya. Ayan, show din doon na. Ayan. Na siya, madilim na, but ayan. Ayan yung guys, yung view pag gabi. Ayan. Of course, I have to place a total black curtain guys. And I placed here the carpet. Ayan, to complete the packages. Ayan, I place here the carpet. And of course, I provide here a sofa. It's a big, it's a big cut na, no? It's a big sofa na L-shaped like. I just place it like this with comes to pillows. You know the good thing about the dark color, it complement with it will contrast to the wall na white. So, it makes the unit very presentable and very beautiful in the eye. Ayan. And of course, I placed here the dining set. And of course, don't forget, if you're going to buy a dining set, guys, again, piliin nyo yung quality. Ayan, even expensive, but you have to always prepare a quality. Ayan, guys. And the good thing about my place here ayan. I only have this frame actually. If you notice, guys, for those doing a video, I only have this kind of frames. Ayan, this is like, para siyang 3. Although 1 lang yung niya, yung tema niya. So, it's very good that I have placed here with the gold na siya. Ayan, guys, with the gold. So, it complement with my ceiling tiles here. It's a tricolor ceiling tile. Ayan, guys. And also, I personally choose a gold color, guys, para maganda siya tingnan kasi anything with that color is very good and very beautiful in the eyes of people. Ayan, guys. And I'll show you here to make it different, guys. I'll show you the bedroom. Ayan. This is the bedroom, guys. And of course, the tenants prefer the bed like this. So this one is a queen size bed because this one is actually a big cat unit. So you can place even the king size bed. Kasha siya here, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung gala mattress. With the padded frames. Again, it's a great color. Hindi naman siya doon na madilim tingnan sa glass. Of course. My gosh, and of course, I have here the great color of total blackout curtain. Ayan. It's the big cat, guys. Ayan. I'll show you how it works. Ayan. I'll show you guys. Just wait for a moment. Alam naman tayo na lang curtain na Ayan. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Total blackout curtain. 100% siya, hindi mo makikita kung maliwanag sa labas. Ayan. And of course, I have to place her the very, very angry bird. Ayan. Hindi sila magka-away. It's very loving birds. I just turn on the aircon. This is so mainit. Ayan, so mainit, guys. Ayan. I just turn on the aircon, guys. And, of course, I have to provide here a 1.5 horsepower na inverter. Samsung inverter. You know what? Ayan. You know what? I keep telling to my owner, the good thing about me, I do the turnover. Then afterwards, I do all the furnishing and also the rental. So, all in one ako, guys. I'll do it for you. This is a good thing about me. And I do it personally. And of course, with the touch of my heart. Hindi appendix. Ayan, so it's very simple that if you wanted to manage me in the unit, you only have to do is to give me an SPA for rental purpose only. Kasi pajulit-julit yung mga bungol, pajulit-julit sila minsan, natanong na, bakit kailangan ng SPA? Siyempre pa rental purpose nakalagay. Ito specific naman doon. Then I don't for those who viewers naman, I don't really hindi ako masyadong nagkumukuha ng unit pag hindi naman if they're asking for the referral fee kasi for now kasi guys sinuruan ng mga Chinese yung mga Pinoy din natin kapwa natin tinuruan yung Chinese mga commission. So basically if I'm going to rent out the unit hindi siya fully yung commission sa akin. So mapupunta niya ng half na commission which as I discussed before dun sa agent ng Chinese. Kasi for now, lahat mostly ng tenant ay dumadaan sa Chinese company, guys. That is the one thing that make me sad sometimes. But of course, it's, life is too short, that's why you have to be happy. Ano connect? I mean, for those who are celebrating the birthday, happy birthday and keep safe everyone kasi for now meron tayo ng hurricane, meron tayo ng bagyo. So, yung pakabait ha. And of course, I have to place here guys, kidding aside, I have the wardrobe cabinets. It comes with 3 doors. Then we have here the drawer. We have 2 drawers here, which I really love about the white kasi medyo purity siya, just like me. Ayan. And I'm going to tour you also here at the kitchen. For the kitchen, guys, I have here the economic, which is actually some of the owner told me, cut your blocks very informative. Kasi natutunan sila, tulos na yung binibili nila, perfect na sila. Kasi meron din silang microwave, ginagaya na nila ako. Ayan, ito yung kitchen na to is deliverable sa siya, guys. Meaning to say, upon turnover, meron na siya. And of course, I have here walang kamatayan na fire extinguisher, which is kailangan ng move in. Ayan. And of course, we have here the toilet and bath. Actually, the toilet and bath is not yet ready, but I'll show you. I have here the Panasonic, the Shark, rather Shark. The washing machine is automatic, guys. I have to place here the adapter. This is what we call the adapter, guys. And also the socket. We have to do it back. Ayan. Then, of course, we have here the toilet bowl. And we can put here the tissue holder. And for this one, this is a big cut unit. So, this one is actually, ayan yung shower heater, guys. The shower will just work once meron siya ng heater na. And the tenant is actually asking for the shower enclosure. So, maybe I can get a provided of shower enclosure here. So, much better. Because this one is a very big unit. I mean, it's a big cut unit. So, it's okay lang maglagay ng shower enclosure in fairness kasi malawak yung kanyang toilet and bath. And for this one, just do the recap, guys. Ayun na. Let's go here kasi ipapakita ko sa kanila yung yung view ng unit. Paggabi ha, kasi today is gabi na. Ayan. Ayan. Show them doon the view, not me. It's there. In double travel. And it's that one is a vacant lot for now. It's very old siya. Siguro yun na doon, nakasunod. Ayan, dyan ka naman doon na para dito naman yung view. Maganda yung view dito. Perfect. And of course, Merry Christmas everyone! Ayan, Christmas na. So for those unit owner na gusto magbigay sa akin ng Christmas, of course marami sila. Then guys, of course, I'm gonna share my blessings, of course. The usual things that I do in, pag Christmas, yung magbibigay tayo ng staff ng condo para at least we're giving back kanila. Ayan. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And, ano pa ba nakalimutan ko? Comment down below sa may mga mag-ask kung ano yung sabihin. And keep safe, everyone, because meron tayong bagyo. So, for those affected, pray for them. And bye-bye! Take care!